What the f is he doing? Damn, you see how high he gets that shit? Whoa! Looking for Jim. I want to make sure he's okay. Jim! Yo, Jim! How you doing? Whoa, this is huge! Hey! Whoa, this thing's still at 70%. There's no difference between the two of us. I blend right in. That is a beautiful R6. Let's see the hand drag. Ah, that was even cooler. Dude, this thing is scary fast. Whoa, whoa. Holy dude. What are you doing? You have the red light. That's so scary, dude. Oh, that's nothing. Just wait for it.
Why is there a lot of dogs coming?